Intercom system operation video. Doorbell call screen 1, answer and unlock. Doorbell call screen 2, answer and unlock. 5 digital photo frames play automatically. Unlock by swiping card. Password unlock, 123,123 followed by hashtag, fingerprint unlock. How to connect to your phone via the Tuya mobile app. Open the screen, tap settings, then enter the Connect app and connect to Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi password, such as 1591-347-3606. Connect by scanning the QR code with the Tuya mobile app. Connection successful. Unlock via the Tuya mobile app. Doorbell calls can be answered via the Tuya mobile app, allowing for two-way intercom. Screen-to-screen intercom. The screen can be used to call the Tuya mobile app for intercom. Function display on indoor screen. Multiple language settings.